Okay. So, balik tayo. Hindi lang kasi yun yung mangyari, class. Ganyan to. Balik natin siya. Ayan, balik na nga muna natin siya. Ano yung mangyari dyan? Meron kasi tayo to, oh. Pwede naman natin i-upgrade yung ating machine. Upgrade natin yung ating machine, class. Ayun. Okay. So, upgrade natin yung ating machine. Pwede pa yan. Pwede pa yan. Wala nang partition, oh. Pwede na yan. Okay? So, let's say, ito, yan yung A natin. So, halimbawa, we have a subset, sorry, a set A. Yung set natin, Z raised to positive. Okay, anong ibig sabihin nun? All positive integers. Set B, okay? Set B, N is a element of all integers such that N is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 100. Then we have set C to be 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Okay? Uh, ito, example na natin to, class. Example lang to. Hindi yung kanina ay concept yun. Example na natin to. Hindi kasi natin may input to kaya upgrade ko na lang yung ating machine. Medyo matagal. Kaya medyo na-delay yung ating pag-upload. Okay, so meron tayong question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, may 5 questions tayo. Siyempre, punta muna tayo sa question 1. Ano ba si question 1? Question 1 natin. B is a subset of A. Hindi daw. Bakit hindi subset of A? Ay, tama. Bakit hindi subset of A si B? Ang tanong sa inyo, si 0 ba nasa positive integer siya? Diba? Si 0 ba nasa positive integer? Hindi, di ba? So, hindi nga talaga siya sa subset. Ay, palabasin natin ibang question. Let's move to question 2. Ayan. Is C a proper subset? Tama. Okay? C is a proper subset of A. Bakit? Ano? Positive yung mga yan, no? Positive. Tapos, positive integer yun. So, tama nga talaga. Okay? So, palabasin ulit natin. Ito tayo sa 3. Yan. Ayun. Yan. C and B have at least one element in common. Although it is not a proper subset, ang question number 3 natin, does C and B have at least one element in common? The answer is yes. 100, 100. Okay? Let's move. Ang bilis ng ating machine Bilis ng ating machine. Okay, so next we have C. And is C a subset of B? Ang sabi hindi. Bakit? 100, 200, 300, 400. Saan mo mahahanap ito dyan? Saan mo mahanap si 200, 300, 400, 500 dito sa range na to? Diba wala? Wala sila Si 100 lang yung meron. Okay. Last question. Last question na tayo. Yan. You know. Ayan. Okay. Is C subset of C? Malamang sa malamang, oo. Okay. Meron to dito. Meron to dito. Okay? So, subset siya. Hindi nga lang siya proper subset. Pero, subset siya. Okay? So, yan na. Okay na tayo dyan. Ang gusto nyo balikan dyan. Wag na. Move na tayo sa next lesson natin. Next lesson na ba? Yep. Next lesson. Next lesson natin. We have Cartesian products. Okay, Cartesian products. We have number 1. In an ordered pair written as A, B consists of two elements where A is the first and B is the second. Unlike sets, order matters. Okay, sample. Ito is 1, 2, equal to 1. Sabi dito, order matters. Hindi. Okay. Tapos, is 3, 5 over 10 equal to square root of 9, 1 half? Yes. I think no din yung isang sagot dito. Pero technically, it's yes. Although, pwede nating sabihin no. Square root of 9, that is positive 1 and negative, ay, sorry, positive 3 and negative 3. Pwede natin sabihin yun na and, yes and no. Pero in sense, usually we take the positive part of the square root, square roots. And then let's move on to these Cartesian products. The Cartesian product of two sets A and B is written as A cross B. It is the set of all possible ordered pairs. Okay? Kaya meron tong ordered pair muna. Kasi nga, sabi dito, ay kaya nasa set to, language of set. Tapos kaya merong ordered pairs kasi all possible ordered pairs. So, let's move. Ay, may machine na naman tayo. Ano to? May machine na naman tayo. So, para makita natin yung nangyayari dito, class. Okay. Para makita natin, set of all possible ordered pairs. Okay. Sabihin natin ito yun. Sabihin natin si A, itong nasa taas, tapos si B, nasa baba. UV was 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ngayon, sabi, it is the set of all possible ordered pairs. Paano yon? Okay, so paano yon, sir? Meron tayong dito. May machine tayo dito. Okay. Itong machine, ko-convert niya to into Cartesian products. So, sige, tignan natin ha. Yan. Tulak. Ayan. Lalabas. Eto. Okay. Anyari? Okay. A cross B. Order matters. So, 1, comma U. Tapos 2, comma U. 3, comma U. And then next is all possible ordered pairs. O, di multiply din natin sa V. 1, comma V. 2, comma V. 3, comma V. And then this is your Cartesian product. Okay? So, ganun lang yun. Ano natin? Move natin. Yan, yan, yan. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2U, 2 to U, 3 to U. Tapos, 1 to V, 2 to V, 3 to V. Okay? So, ika-Cartesian product natin siya. At yung lalabas. Yan. Okay? So, yan yung sa Cartesian products natin. Okay, so, alalahanin nyo to kasi gagamitin natin to sa ating sa ating next session. Si relation and functions. Okay? Relation and functions yung next nating lesson. At tapos na tayo sa ating language of sets. Okay, so thank you everyone.